Hi there. These are some points and instruction that you need to take into consideration from now on, starting from assessment number two submission. When you go to your Moodle and download the question, say this is the question that you have. When you get to the calculation part, you have two options. Let's do this one as an example. If you want to do the calculation, the first part is before calculation is asking for drawing polystyrene repeat unit, right? So assume that you draw it manually, and what you can do is you scan it as I have over here, copy the image of that scan, and then sorry, paste it over here, and then for calculation, you can use option one, this method equationator. So you go to insert, apply equationator, and say okay. The molecular weight for this repeat unit is 3 times slash mix times atomic weight of carbon is plus we have 3 plus 3 6 times atomic weight of hydrogen, right? Yes, and then you continue write it down. Option one. The other option is that similar to what you have done, you use your hand calculation as I've indicated here. You can use the hand calculation and then scan it. This is the hand calculation that I have from one of the students. And this is the hand calculation. You scan it and then copy from a scan. Copy it to this Word file in the right place, Control V. And then say this calculation is done. This part is, of course, you haven't done. If you have either this option using equation x0 or this one in hand calculation, um, so you follow one of these two methods. For true false, say the first, I'm just saying, okay, thermosets have linear molecular structure. It's false. You can just type it over here. It's very easy, and I use a different color just to notify the instructor that I'm using a different color. Plastic, plastics used inside the car cabins are isomers. Uh, that's not the case, so again, false. And change the color just to notify. It's totally up to you this part, but you need to write these ones in the Word file. And again, we have calculation. Again, for calculation, the first part that you need to calculate this item, again, you can use either equationator from insert or hand calculation and add the scan over here. After this, you save the file, you go to your folder. Now I have this file for myself, whatever name you want to add over there or you want to change. Website. I love PDF. That's an example of website. It's totally up to you. Either changing this into PDF is directly possible in your Word file. That's usually the case when you do save as, or in my case, I have an option for, yeah, I can even, like you see, can send it by email in PDF format, or I can save as a PDF over here. Or if you don't have that option, so if you cannot find, you can use a website like this one, ilovepdf.com. And we have several options here. Our goal is to change Word into PDF. I click on Word into PDF. I have the file over here, so I just drag this file over the website and I ask convert it to PDF. It converts my Word document into PDF and it automatically, I guess, yeah, it downloads automatically. And now I have the answer to my question, including the parts that I have added. So the answer is a combination of maybe scan of the hand calculation or using this one. So it's going to be either of this, not this and. There's no and, it's either equationator or your hand calculation that is added over here, and your answers, and the rest of the calculation. I hope this one will help you to get an idea how you're going to submit the assessment from now on. You download this PDF and submit it to your assessment. Bear in mind that if it's Turnitin, there will be only a few options for that one. Usually, the first shot going to be the last one. So make sure that you upload your finalized question to the answer. Thank